So here we are, we just got off the elevator. And one thing about these elevators in here, that if you want to use the elevator, you have to use a key to get into this door to get to the elevator. We're on the first floor right now. So going down the hall here, they had all these Rockwell drawings all over the hall coming down here. And these are all rooms down here to the left and the right side. So you kind of walk into the middle and resort in here. So this is the first floor right here.
Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you'd like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.
You can see, yeah, the second floor has nothing. You got paintings on the ceiling too. So that you don't see in there. So we'll walk down here to the end of here, and the office is located down in here too, as well. Now, one of these non-walk-out we have at home on our ceiling.
Magnet in the fridge.
Yeah, a magnet type thing. And that leads down to the office way. And over here, we're going to check out this in here. So you got an ice machine over here, and you got a place to buy snack. Distillation machine over there. And we come over here. You have a coffee machine as well. It's kind of dark in here, but they have puzzles all on that. So here's looking outside. The door over here as well is a statue I wanted to check out before. Over there is the outdoor type lounge. Must look pretty nice out there during the summer. Yeah. This is the lounge area, right? And down there is a swimming pool, which we'll be going pretty soon after we check this out. So over here they have all kinds of...
This place has been here since 1898.
Yeah, these are all games here for the kids to play with. Yeah, we're gonna go downstairs and check out the swimming pool. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see what's down here. Bathroom over here, locker room. And this looks like the pool room. You got a maintenance room over here. So, and they got a TV over. Is that just a show in here? This is all open light, one fan way here, high ceilings. Pretty warm in here. So, on that. We'll go down here. The ladies' room over here. And imagine that's the men's room over there. Please shower before entering the pool. Plus, I'm not going to go in there because people might be getting dressed. So, the laundry room down here. So we found the laundry room. So let's go check out the laundry room. Okay, let's see. Here's the laundry room. Here, you get your washer and dryer, soap dispensers. You have to pay for the soap. If you want soap. Looks like it's paid laundry too. So bring coins, and it's going to cost to pay. You use the laundry room. Yeah, not like the other resort that was all free. Yeah. Racquetball court down there. It don't look too inviting right now. Yeah. Let's see if there is something down here. I don't know if that even opens up. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know. Oh, this is a racquetball. I don't know what the light switch is. Okay, this is where you throw against it. It's kind of dark in here, and I don't see a light switch. So there's a lot of echo in here. Anyway, it's just 4 plain walls. That's all it is. So, have no idea where the light switch is for that. Too dark to find a light switch.
Going to hit the spot this way, but I don't know where that is.
Oh yeah, Serenity Spa.
I don't know
This
where that
way.
is.
Well, it must be down the other end.
What's that over there?
It's a racquetball. Just 4 plain walls.
I wonder if this goes directly to the first floor?
Maybe.
Because that's a lot less stairs to go, James.
Alright, well, check it out.
Let me see the pool again. I'm gonna see the pool. Come on. I haven't. Yeah, but.
So we found the spa. It's right to this door. It's right where the swimming pool is. So we come over here and it's open. Yeah, opens up. So you got a pool table right here. So and right here you got a fireplace over there.
That's not being used.
It's like a dining
Yes.
thing in here.
Have a little something
You want
down
to play
here.
games? I don't know, but
Like a kitchen, but
yeah, it's
not
kind of
op-
like a kitchen.
It's not operating.
Craft in. Oh, it's for crafts. Maybe it's for crafts, arts and crafts and stuff.
No, that's just. No.
Yeah, this is,
This is a crafts in welcome.
maybe that's why they call it that.
Like part of the kitchen. It's like.
Okay, please do not disturb. So somebody's in there.
Yeah, this is where you would be serviced.
Yeah.
Now serviced in open space.
Oh, it's a bathroom.
Large bathroom. Part of the spa.
So
The bathroom.
guess we'll be going in a few seconds here, and we'll just check out the outside. So I'm curious about what's over here. I think it's just an exit.
I like this.
Yeah. Okay, that's it for now. They're looking out to the swimming pool.
I like that so much.
Yep. The fireplace. Oh, here we are coming upstairs. We went that way down,
See, now
down that way towards that way. We made it downstairs and went down, and then we made a full circle
this is the back
around.
entrance.
And we came up the stairs.
This is the back entrance.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the side entrance right here.
Side?
Yeah, side entrance. That's the porch. It goes out. So here we have the front desk, and here is. So we'll take a tour. They have a TV going
Well,
on.
we already went through here today.
Yeah, we're
I
going
didn't
out
see
this way. Yeah. So we got all kinds of books. Really like a little library. Hello. So, who's all these people on the wall?
Oh, these are some of our, board members and employees that have passed.
Oh, they passed and died?
Yeah, so this is
Yeah.
kind of our little memorial.
That's really good. Yeah. Yeah, I've been looking around the resort. You can see the historical landmark, 1898. So it's a National Register Historical Place, the United States Department of Interior. This is a place you can porch, main porch. This is the street right there, Main Street, West Main Street, and there's the restaurant we were at right over there. Yeah, I'll zoom in on it. That's Dot's restaurant right there. That's where we had our breakfast and our dinner last night when we came in. Yeah, they got a little swing chair over there.
Not a little swing. That's
Yeah.
like a 2-3 people swing.
Yeah, I guess that's for swingers. We're right up in the middle over there someplace. Right in there. That's the view right here. So this is a little path. I'm not gonna go down this path, but you can see the river is right over here. So this path would be too slippery going downhill. It's pretty iced up.
Theory, this is way too slippery.
Yeah.